sauce on me. I got drip, flood the wrist. It's homage to the whip. Still got juice. Bitch, I'm lit. See the flex. Walking lit. Do that for that check. Do that for that check. Do that for that check. Yeah, do that for that check.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl AnekeAnnakay. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl AnekeAnnakay. How y'all doing or whatever? If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for returning back to my small part of the YouTube universe. And if you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by the channel. And if you enjoy the content here, little baby, we really hope you decide to stop by and subscribe. Okay. So, before we start any YouTube video, any of our videos, you know we have to do our shout outs. Okay, shout them out. So shout out to the person of the week. Shout out for this week goes to my fro. Hey, my fro. Hey. Oh, my fro is our shout out for this video, okay? So make sure you guys go ahead and check out her channel, subscribe to the baby, like, comment, subscribe, all of that, okay? Support each other, support the channel. So that is my shout out for the video. As you guys know, it is Cash Out Fridays. Cash Out Fridays for us is where we get the cash, we do our own stuffing for the week, basically of what we spend. But guys, I have some money here. Okay, so my grandma gave me $100 for my taxes. Yes, child, I got me $100 extra, and we're putting it all to allowance. So right now on hand, I have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And guess what? I only have $90 of the 100. Bam! I'm actually participating in March Madness this year, the actual basketball tournament, and I'm doing the saving challenge. Can we talk about it? I'm all up in there, okay? All of it. If you didn't know, March Madness is me. I am March Madness, okay? We participate in all of it. So the basketball tournament, the saving challenge, like all of it. So I'm gonna put this $90 in allowance because did I go over in allowance when I realized I got this $90? Absolutely, okay, absolutely. So let me add this $90. So right now, allowance has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 25, and 26. So now allowance has $126. Let's get into it, little baby. So now we are gonna unstuff our envelopes. First thing we have is groceries. So groceries this week is losing $70. Right now, groceries has 100, 150, 200, 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22. We have $222 and it is losing 70. So we're gonna do a $50 bill. Can you guys see that? Let me make sure you guys see. Yes, you can. We're gonna do a $50 bill and we're gonna do the 4 5s. So that is $70 because that's what groceries had for the week. So right now, groceries has remaining 100, 150, 151, and 152. Okay, cash them out. All right, bet. So I'm just gonna put that on top of little baby right here. It'll be all good. Next, let's put March Madness down here for now. Next in here is fuel. Did we buy any fuel? No, we didn't. Crown, then it's been her. Listen, okay. So I went to the little shopping place where we buy Stella Rose, and I got me some wine. Now, fine wine has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. Now, I bought me a certain amount of wine. We're taking out 73. I bought me a certain amount of number. And the lady then says to me, you know, if you get 6, it's 10% off. Now, why would I buy 6 bottles of wine just to get 10% off? But that's exactly what I did. I I bought 6 bottles of wine, and I got me my 10% off because, yes ma'am, don't tempt me with a good time like that. And since I was having such a good time, I'm gonna continue. So your girl has 6 bottles of wine. Don't judge me, okay? Let me live and be great. Now I'm just trying to find some dollars so I can exchange this money out. Okay, y'all, so I found me $5. Y'all would not believe how far I had to go. Y'all, I had to go to Christmas bills in order to find 5 ones. But anyways, so yeah, guys, I got me 6 bottles of wine, and here we are today. So yeah, so what I just did, I just exchanged the $10 for 5 and 5 ones. And so I have 70 of the 80 right here, and I'm just gonna add these $3. So now fine wine has 5, 6, 7. It has $7. I'm just gonna put that in there, and we are going to put that over here to 73. Next is allowance, and allowance is used 1, 2, 3, 4 times on this week's check-in. So allowance this week, $12. Because I bought food truck again for $12, so that's $24. Food truck again for $11, so what's 24 and 11? That's 35. And then food truck again for $12, so that's 47. 35 and 12 is 47. So $47 is coming out of allowance. So previously, as I stated, allowance has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 25, and 26. And I said they are losing $47, right? So that's 2 20s. If I do a 10, do they have 3 ones? They do. Okay, bet. All right. So $47 is what allowance is using. I'm gonna take this $3 from this 50, and that will make it 47, and they are good. So now allowance has 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. They have $79 now left over in allowance for the next couple of weeks. Okay, bet. Now, household is not losing anything still. Toiletries, she's still good. Waxing, yep. Listen, y'all, I did self-care too. Ooh, we just had a whole good time. So I did self-care. I don't think I have no more dollar bills. Okay, I had self-care, and waxing was a part of that, and that was $79. So I'm gonna take the 100, and I'm gonna take out the 30. What I need to do, I'm gonna do a 20 and 2 5s. What I need to do is I need to find 5 $1 bills. Okay, y'all. Ooh, the quest to find dollar bills is so much. Okay, so I found me some dollar bills. So there was this 70. I put the $100 over here, and I took out 30, which is this 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29, and 30. And so I needed 29. I needed $21. Right? Yes, I needed $21 to remain, and then this $9 would go over here. Right? So 100 minus 79 is 21. Yes. So now waxing has remaining 50, 70, and 71. So that's left in waxing. And yep, so that's waxing. Next is health. Nothing came out of health. And then we did lose some stuff for miscellaneous. So I did went ahead and I bought me some games of some dices, and that was $15. So we're gonna take a 20, and we're just gonna take a 5 to replace it. I didn't even count up how much was in there. Let me take the 20 back real quick. So miscellaneous now had 20, 40, 45, 50, 51, and 52. And With the 15 gone, miscellaneous now has 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, and 37. Yes, ma'am. Okay, love miscellaneous. She be coming through and helping your girl out, right? Right. So let's fix these a little bit. Okay, bet. So that's it for this binder right here, which is our fixed cash envelopes, and we definitely need a wine break. So yeah, Stella Rose it is. Okay, y'all, so next envelope is our luxury cash envelopes. Well, next binder is our luxury cash envelopes. And so we ain't gotta stuff these, but we would love to. And we ain't gotta use these, but we will. So first is clothing, that's not losing anything. Support a friends. I feel like she's not being used right now. Budgeting buys, no ma'am. No going away, no going out. Ooh, child, y'all. I just bought all my stuff for going out. Electronics, no. YouTube, no. Nails, yep. Nothing from chiropractor. This is what we came for. Massage and facials. So I did get a facial this past week, and it was $87. Okay, I don't know why facials down there. This should be allowance, but it was $87.42. But I only have 80 in facial, so we're gonna take out the full 80 out of here, and we're gonna bring it back, and we're gonna take out $8 out of allowance. My bad, y'all. My bad. So again, allowance has 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, and 79. And we're gonna take $8 out, so that's 5, 6, 7, and 8. And so now allowance has 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 71 in allowance. So boom. So that takes care of our facial. And it's probably that much because one, taxes, and two, like I don't really know what I'm getting when I go to my, beauty lady until like I get there. And yeah, and so it's all about what's best for my skin, and I trust her that much, and she's always been great and do me no wrong. So I'm gonna keep doing me. But I do need to update this facial to say allowance, but it is facial dip of $8. So we did allowance, wax, and facial, fine wine, grocery allowance, miscellaneous allowance. So now it's upcoming bills, and that was all I had. Yeah, nothing from business and nothing from giveaway. Did y'all enter the giveaway for this week, for week 3? Child, listen, okay? There's 2 prizes, a $100 gift prize and a $60 gift prize. Baby, okay? Get in where you fit in, because I've already done all the requirements to win me some coins. I have to win at least one, y'all. At least one. I'm trying to win at least one. So get in where you fit in, y'all, and enter the giveaway. So March Madness week 3 giveaway is happening right now, okay? Next, which is our final envelope, which is losing money, is our miscellaneous binder. And this has our upcoming bill, which we have a new bill this month, which is Canva, and Canva is $13, okay? So let's count how much is in upcoming bills. So upcoming bills has 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 200, 10, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, and 38. And we are losing $13, so that's a $10 bill. And these 3 ones in the back. Boom. So now upcoming bills has 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 200, 10, 20, and 25. So $225 is left over in upcoming bills. That's beautiful. That's really beautiful. Okay. So that's upcoming bills, and I believe that is everything. I don't have my calculator, so we just gonna count these coins up. So let me put them in order. I don't have my calculator, so we're just gonna count up the money to see how much we spent this week. So we spent 100, 150, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20. Damn, I spent that much? I didn't think I spent that much. Shoot. 300, 320, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. I spent $385? The damn girl. I really did not think I spent that much, but grandma did give me $100. So, you know, baby, balling, okay? We balling, okay? Grandma be giving us money on the sneak on the low for sure, okay? So $385 is what we spent this week, and we are gonna put that in our handy dandy, okay? Handy dandy credit card envelope. Because this is what we use and pay off our credit cards for the month, y'all. What we will do, guys, is we will count this money up at the end of the month for closeout to see how much we spent on our credit cards this month. So, yeah, baby. All right. So, the only thing left for us to do now, guys, is to figure out how much we are putting in March Madness. I do want to like do the whole computer thing, but it's gonna take too long, so I'm just gonna shuffle this and see what comes out of it. And we're gonna do it based on week, and I'm just gonna pick a number, and whatever week I pick, that is the number of dollars we're gonna put in there. There's only 51 weeks, so okay, well, $21 is what I pick. $21 is what I picked for my previous what I put in there. So we are gonna put $21 from allowance in March Madness. I really was about to like do all the numbers thing, but baby, that was gonna be a whole lot. So $21. I'm gonna do 2 10s and this one, so $21. And now allowance has $20, $30, $40, $50 left to complete the month. That's not bad. So $21 goes into March Madness. I really like that. That was quick, easy, and painless, y'all. It was gonna take forever for me to set up everything. Baby girl is not in the mood, okay? Put that back in here. Close this bad boy up again. And yeah, that is it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. I will fill these out later. But I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for coming back for all my oldie but goodies. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining the fam. Okay, thank you so much for subscribing, saying hello, how you doing, what's up, what's good, Helene. Okay, and if you do enjoy the content here, guys, please hit that like button. Leave a comment down below. Tell me how it's going. Okay, also all my froze information will be down in the description box, so if you are interested in subscribing, supporting a little baby, it is down in the description box. Okay, get into it. And what else do I gotta say? Like, comment, subscribe, share this video with a family, friend, or a foe, because even your enemies need blessings. Okay, point blank, period. And that's all I got, guys. My name is AnekeAnnakay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Boo, you did not have to, but you decided to. The support is appreciated. Loves is thank you. Okay, you like it, I love it. Get into it. And that's it, guys, because I feel like I'm being extra as hell. The wine kicking in. But me and Stella Rose is checking out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.